Lane hogging is one of the biggest complaints on UK roads, and yes, it does exist, but there is an uncomfortable truth. A lot of the people that are screaming lane hogger are actually part of the problem themselves. I will be showing you 2 interactions with road users recently, and these road users clearly did not understand what lane hogging actually is and don't look further than their own bonnet. But let me know, am I teaching good driving or bad habits? Now, you'll often see me driving like this on dual carriageways and motorways. When there's a slow overtake ahead, I don't sit right on the bumper of the car overtaking. I hang back. I create a stagger, so there is space around me. And in my next video, I will be showing you a couple of examples of why that stagger is so important. When I made a video about this before, some people completely understood the logic, I would say most people, and some people thought I had officially joined the lane hogging club. So let's break this down properly using actual official guidance, not just comment section rage. Rule 264 of the highway code, everyone loves to quote, of course, keep left unless overtaking, and I agree with it completely. But here's the bit that I would say often gets ignored. That rule is basic guidance. It is not a one-size-fits-all command. There are plenty of situations where immediately pulling back into the left lane makes absolutely no sense at all, especially if there's another vehicle that you are about to overtake. Or like here, you're actually using your Mark 1 eyeballs and looking ahead, seeing a slow-moving vehicle and keeping to the right. Or seeing that there's parking and actually waiting to see if anyone is going to pull out of said parking. Or even passing an exit slip, meaning that of course there will be an entry slip very shortly. Online, I feel lane hogging gets pushed so hard that I feel some drivers do feel pressured to immediately chuck themselves back into the left lane with zero planning and then immediately pull back out again. And ironically, that is exactly what would get you marked down on a driving test for showing no awareness or planning. So now let's add some context from the DVSA official guide to driving. It says, keep to the left-hand lane unless there are slower vehicles ahead. It's possible to stay in the centre or outer lanes while you're overtaking a number of slower moving vehicles, but do not stay in these lanes longer than you have to if you're delaying traffic behind you. And so many people don't understand that very basic advice. And that is why often my learners and I, and when I'm driving on my own, don't immediately pull back to the left lane because we're actually looking ahead rather than just the person beside us. Now, people will watch this clip and say, yeah, but you're delaying traffic behind you. Now, technically, yes, I am. But delaying them to where? The exact traffic that I'm already following. Why is the driver behind me more entitled to sit behind that traffic than I am? Just to be clear, traffic behind always factors into my planning. In this example, I'm completing a set of overtakes, overtaking a number of slower moving vehicles. And note that when a faster car becomes behind me, I pull back into the left, allowing them to pass before I move back out. If no one was behind me, I'd have stayed in lane 2. But I'm considerate. You're welcome. Now, here is the piece of advice that I think would solve 90% of people's lane hogging screaming if they actually followed it themselves. It's from the DVSA official guide to driving. If you come up behind traffic, moving more slowly than you are when you're overtaking, be patient. Do not intimidate the driver ahead by flashing your headlights and driving dangerously close behind them. Wait until the vehicle ahead can move safely to the left, then proceed. So as per this clip, I've caught up to a slower overtake, so I'm following this simple advice. I'm holding back, I'm waiting until they can move left for me, making sure I stagger to create space. Wild concept, I know. In this next clip, my learner has caught up to a slower overtake and is doing exactly that. She's waiting. Now, watch the Mercedes behind us. They clearly feel entitled to that space. So, we follow the advice, now we move left and immediately watch them tailgate the camper van. And this is the key point. If that driver followed the advice above, instead of instantly branding everyone as a lane hogger, I realised that there's not actually a single lane hogger in this clip. And if you think there is, you're part of that problem. Honestly, if your takeaway from this clip is that we're the problem and you don't see a problem in what the Mercedes is doing, it might be time to reflect. Come and have a driving lesson with me. These people just think the motorway should be chocked full of people just sat in lane 1 like this. It doesn't work like that. People that are overtaking a little bit slower than you are just as entitled to do it. I honestly can't imagine having this view of lane hogging. It must be exhausting. Like this Highways England worker. They catch us up, a slow overtake. This isn't easy to see, but 3 times while tailgating me, he's got both hands off the wheel, gesturing that we're lane hogging simply because they catch up to a slower overtake. Now, I'll admit the Mercedes caught me out a bit here, as they randomly slowed down once they'd started overtaking. So now I'm trying to let a gap build up with old Highways England boy sitting directly in my boot. That's easier said than done, and they are extremely distracting. But again, watch then how desperate they are to show themselves returning to the left lane, only to find that their lack of awareness and planning means that they need to now straight back out into the right-hand lane again. His view, everyone that's going slower than me is a lane hogger. Lane hoggers do exist, but they are so much rarer than people are gobbing off about. I've just come back from the Cotswolds, and of a total of about 4 hours dual carriageway and motorway driving, I saw 2 lane hoggers. 2, because this is a lane hogger. Someone sitting in a lane, not overtaking, not catching up to traffic, not planning, not progressing, just existing there. And those are the people that this rule 264 is aimed at.